smartphone Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus. All that we have here about them is true. Both smartphones have amazing full-screen design. In this video I want to compare Xiaomi Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus. The smartphone will go on sale a bit later, but we already have first hands-on videos. The back panel of new smartphone doesn't differ much from the previous generation. It has very simple design with single camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader. However, the front panel looks very different. New smartphone comes with full-screen design. They have very thin bezels on right and left side and 80:9 aspect ratio. Also, it means Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus have on-screen buttons instead capacitive touch buttons. The smartphones are available in 4 colors – gold, rose gold, blue and black. As I already said, new smartphone has full-screen design. Redmi 5 comes with 5.7-inch display and HD Plus resolution, 720 by 1440 pixels. Redmi 5 Plus is equipped with 5.99-inch display and Full HD Plus resolution, 2160 by 1080 pixels. Of course, both of them have 80:9 aspect ratio. If we talk about chipset, then younger model Redmi 5 is powered by Snapdragon 450 with clock speed 1.8 GHz and Adreno 506 graphics, while more powerful version Redmi 5 Plus has Snapdragon 625. This chipset is already used in many good smartphones such as Redmi Note 4, Mi Mix, Mi Mix Max and others. We already know Antutu result of both smartphones. Xiaomi Redmi 5 is about 55,000 points, while Redmi 5 Plus has 61,000 points. As you can see, the difference is not so big. I'm really impressed with performance of Redmi 5. It should become best budget phone on the market. Another interesting part is battery. Here without any surprises, as small models come with 3300 mAh battery, while Plus version has 4000 mAh battery. Both smartphones should prove about 2 days of battery life. As for the camera, Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus have the same camera setup on the front and back panels. The main camera has 12-megapixel sensor with f2.2 aperture. On the front panel, you can find 5-megapixel camera. The only difference between cameras on Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus is soft LED flash on the first smartphone and dual LED flash on Redmi 5 Plus. Of course, new smartphone runs on latest Android 7.1 Nougat with MIUI 9. New software from Xiaomi provides some useful features and optimization. And the last but more interesting part is price. Xiaomi Redmi 5 start from $120 for 2GB of RAM and 16GB of storage, and $135 for 3GB of RAM and 32GB of version. The price of basic version Redmi 5 Plus with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage is about $150 and $180 for 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Of course, these official prices and retail and online store will sell a little more expensive. In any case, Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus are very good budget phones. They look amazing and provide good performance. I think that we have the best selling budget smartphone.